Yeah.
Yes.
Kokora.
Meze bite mwana?
Umuji wacu rero. Jeno komisiyo umubikira. Ubungo. Niho komisiyo. Urabona hari komisiyo. Aha komisiyo niho papa reba Gisoro. Benedicto rero.
Yo wazaga mu ruhiro.
Ubundi aha ngaha akarere kacu ka Musanze. Bo ntekereza ko n'akarere nyaburanga simubibona namwe. Aha rero niho paruwasi nkuru ya Ruhengeri. Chantre Pastoral Cathedrale
Notre Dame
du Fatima. Fatima sisingisa ya Fatima. Narahabatijwe nakomerezwa bakora izamu narahafungiwe.
Hani muri gereza sinige.
Oy gereza grahe nibe.
Cyangwa bagufunze wakoshereje
rero ubu turi mu rugendo ruri kuja Uganda.
Oya
Uganda
nikana
baje gabambwira
ngabavayo bazane varisi nagasafuriya agatara gacana kamara ntamba naruka Uganda
turararutse re.
Urarukaga nuba gumaze igihe kinini kandi asanzwe ari ubu rero twebwe ntago ubwo ico ciciro ntago twakigeraho.
Shose buhagaze to amuzina mwete ndimo magana 3 gaho.
Oya barahagarara singa ni magana
3. Andi magana 3 gaho.
ko shoferi agiye guhagarara ko
none ubundi bakagwaye wagamaze iki?
Turararutse tugiye Bugande.
Ibu Bugande tugiye muri
Rwanda.
Oya ntabwo naguma intango nzatera imbere.
ndagiye Uganda.
Ndagiye n'impamo.
Abantu bose bari bazi ko banyifurizaga inabi. Ngiye gushaka umuti Buganda zagaruka bari kunyifuriza ineza.
Uje gushaka uruhereko.
Jose ikintu mbere na mbere ndi kumva kiri kunyihutisha.
Muze mu kirahure.
Yeregwa. Ikintu kiri kunyihutisha cyane. Ngiye gushaka uruheho. Iri ya mbere.
Abandi bashaka zamanyatawe gushaka inde.
Ni hasi no wazi. Ugiye kundwanya. Ugiye kundwanya uzi ibyo ndi guteganya ari ibi. Uzi ndarumaze iki?
Aha tugeze rero niho kuri Chantere umwari.
Rubanda. Kuri Big Show oya. Oya. Urigira amahoro.
Nyurubande shonire mwa.
Izi nzira nazikase inshuro nyinshi.
Ugiye
uribana.
Banyira butarengo n'amakuru. N'urubodaboda rumwe guruvune.
Ugiye
n'urundi ruruzi.
Ariko man. Arafashije.
Nanje hariya nahoraga ndajayo.
Nawe.
Ariko ntandi kuvuga ibya kera. Duvuga ibishaje.
Turi hano twaraye kera turi imbogo. Ahabonye.
Abantu mwabyirukanye wewe.
Ubushobozi bwo
kuboba n'abakiriho ni wewe.
Yari afite ubushobozi bwo kuboba akagera ino.
Nararabobera hehe.
No ntabwo wari urabobera.
Nta wari wemerewe kubobera.
Maze yatinyaga no gukorera ububandi wabo. Bakabukora abantu bose bajyana.
Niyo warariyemo irindaya. Ajya washatse kangahe.
Nyirabutarure yabayeho umukobwa. Ubu wabayeho umukobwa.
Yabayeho umukobwa ariko ubu yarabyibagiwe.
Noneho n'abasore bakaja barakubwira ngo
yaramureshe.
Nanje ngango bihitira.
Urukanga. Ubika ariho umwaka ugwaturutse buriya. Uranda bibonye.
Umwaka uko kuba ushaje ungana uko ushaje. Wakagombye
waje gukorera inaha ngo zunguka ishano shibagamo abakiriya
dore rero agamazu k'icyatsi rwose
yagaruze
ririya ni iduka ryararangaye
hepfo kugura murongo gukabiranye
umufuna mwita twihishe
iya twishe mu imbere
kujya studio bigoye
wajibuyemo utwika ubugande
Ngendi hano mpaka ndani.
Lucia.
aye
Vipi?
menya hara risoko
Ubanza ari sawa?
nabonye siteri ubu ngubu ndi kumva ubuzima niyo nahita mpitirako kuva siteri ahari erega siteri hari cyane cyangwa weho naho bari
kandi kanya ni Gisoro
Ambaza ngo ukoramo, ambaza ngo urabazi. Aqui no som.
Ice cream, fish painting, n'abazahabwa ice cream y'ubusakuge twinjira n'ibihumbi bitanu ordinary umusoro bw'api twanditsemo n'iyimitwaro 10 bizakandika saa 6 z'amanywa mpaka nimugoroba. Sponsored by Mumuga Soko, Starbucks, Day-to-Day Carpentry, Milembe Restaurant, Charlie World of Garmentry, Bronze Electronics, Gia Hardware, Simon J. Ala Sports Center, Magic Studio, Ariana Chidia School Barala, hamwe n'abantu ugasaze drink. Rap Festival, Rap Festival, Rap Festival, Nahise buryohe.
Bamukuba ry'emisambwa.
Excuse me. Sir,
What are you about?
Yego Nsabii.
River. Tabuza kanu kagumba.
Cyane nkibandaho mister. Nkibandaho.
Ndagushaka kunza.
Kakusika abantu. Sabe ni umusoresha.
Sawa. Temwa.
Oya uyu ni umuntu wacu we turabizi
Kale.
Nsabii na bigokora na bijiyobija twese nawe ni umumotari ajanaga umuntu akamwita bijiyobija sinzi yariwe
Nsabii.
nabona namuyoberwa
Kwenda kugusanga Nsabii.
kwenda kuza ku bambu nani ndaza ni kinyashe cyane
Nsabii we, kwenda kuzana videvu. Nsabii.
bongo mwana
Soko vuge odeyo ubakime.
Nsabii.
nabonye Nsabii yageze muri Uganda.
Ugambye?
Nabonye Nsabii yageze muri Uganda.
Uganda?
Muri Uganda.
Kale.
Yakatuka.
Sewali.
Ojimani hano wahita kuri Gatarara.
Wamanyi.
Uri wa kabiri.
Kanzije.
Ipikipiki yawe reba ngiyo hariya ntiri kujana kameramani. Umugore mwiza.
naho udushimbo tureze.
Asisia.
Munashaka ikibanza naho yakibona.
Yagalane okadamani desperio. What we call the desperio to be man. Desperio to be man. Ya no reka je kazi. Pasha louco. Ay, 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 ay.
Hongo niye?
Kameramani wakamejeje izi.
Okay, he is called JC Ambassador and Social Mula. Just tonight. Kesho kwa kanu chimnoga no kaurichiza kanda ni chena no cheka mshatu Metropolitan Radio. You still have the one and only. That is me Methodius 256 you certified Candy Vibe Controller. We are together into this one. Let me just say today it is another day to remember here in Gisoro. Of course, we have what we call as Love Festival. Making a strong basakwano ikayo, kandi basakwano tunjira buri kimwe cyona, watunjire byo mutama kwinda, kandi buri kimwe cyona nozakwano shika, basakwano kwekunuka, mzebyo na kuletela Love Festival. Second edition, last time kabasakwano moreka vibe, buri kimwe cyona cyaba successful, and now it is back again for you to be happy. Kanda sigari shonga sibase kwanza itabra crunch mnoga live, loud and clear, urban shoppers beat of the city, cathedral of music every Sunday, from Shaha Ina mpaka Shaha Mushanju ntabatu wa. Guess what? Atwine abanene, abanshi abakuru, atwileka Dr. Nsabii is already here, and Trevor Kande, very big group here. Kanda Utilisho Kwanto Achilum Studios, and these are the very people who are going to be there. Kwasa Kwanwa Kweriza Happiness. Tulumzei. I'm looking at this gentleman. People, I always watch this mzee and say, oh my God, wait, Nange. I can say I'm very happy and extremely happy. Kandi kwasa kwani brave mzee is already here. Ndiba kandi rich mchona chabasa kwani chikwata fire. But of course, let me just give them the microphone. Kandi bona wasekwani bakweyanjura, wasekwani bakweyanjura, kandi wasekwani tambra kumwe. Ndabachiriye.
Aro sheri. Kumamagaye hakiri kare ndamanuka ntari natwika. Yewe ndi Gisoro muri Uganda turabonana ngarutse. Yego. Naende kuvugana na shedo wanje. Mukaki yasi.
I don't know. I don't want to say, but you people, if you know what it means by being happy, they say happiness is free. But for me today, I can't agree. Happiness is not for free. This guy is here. Kuvugana na sheri turakwakiriye.
Yego murakoze kutwakira. Amazina ganje ni Nsabimana Eric cyangwa si Dr. Nsabii.
Dr. Wichi Wisoro.
No. Doiteri.
Abakobwa.
Oya. Ibyo ntambikoraga.
Ibiki?
Ibyo by'abakobwa byo ntambikoraga neza.
Nje nakubwiye ngo hari ibyo ukoraga.
Ntuzi kandi sitaje kuvuga ngo Dogiteri ngo w'abakobwa. Oya, ni Dogiteri w'abantu bose muri rusange.
Muri rusange.
Ariko ni ku ngingo y'ibijanye n'ibyishimo byo mu bwonko. Niho ndogiteraga.
I must say, at first, to my dear listeners, I knew that this guy is somebody over 80s, 90s.
Oh, yeah.
Naegwi. Come and see who's the man. This is an international stand-up comedian. When it comes to that one, he's also an actor. He has done some magic on big platforms there in Rwanda. here in Uganda and everywhere. This guy is a genius one. He's a comedy master. We can say we are very happy to see you. Turashimye kukubona. As another gentleman behind the microphone akazindaro na kawe sebo.
Amazina ganje ni bijo bijagerwa.
Hey. If you don't know what it means by happiness, and if you want to know what it means by happiness, come to me and see how the man is happy. Guys, I'm very happy. Such everything is comedy, everything is super. But everything, which one was that Tungali Bamboo Gardens? We are serious. Na karirimbo.
yagerwa ari matata.
Na karirimbo oba necyanditswe mu Bibiliya.
N'umuhanzi. Ahangaga ku giti cye.
Gerwa ari matata.
Ubwo narumwe abaga. Ahantu wamusanga ariko n'umuhanzi.
But you people, I can guess, starting from January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, student craving to binge. I guess we had some stress. How comes you can't even spend a single day to come Bamboo Gardens to be happy? You know, you guys, life is too short. October in a stressful life. You know, but today it is your day. Make sure I can reach I can see another big team. I still have a very big team. Kandi bariyaha nekamba se kwani bariza akazinda ma
Karame data.
amakuru yawe
Ni meza.
akazinda nakawe yazuribe
Abantu mwe rero dore bino mwese muri Uganda mwitetere mwisanzure muze twishimane twiyemeje kujaja turabashakira ibyishimo rwose.
none se watangiye kuntuka
Ntabwo ntukanaga ku izina ry'Imana.
wasazi wanje kwari ushaka kuntuka
Ntaho ntukanaga ahubwo njewe nitwa Nyirabutarure Dona. Ubwo rero nyine urukumva ko none se hari igitutse ngututse mwakagira Imana. Ntaco pe.
It's okay. I got another gentleman.
Yeah. You know. Yeah. Nkoresha ururimi rw'amahanga si cyangwa nkoresha urwo nsanga. Zivuge zose. Izamahanga. Faransa je nakivuga tapo. Igifaransa uramenye iyo biri kwerekeza abari cyo dukoresha. Wenda nabasha kuvuga ko igifaransa umuntu yakivuga. Kivuge. Ariko wenda ntago ari ngombwa ngo wenda tubivugire muri rubanda. Ariko igifaransa cyo ndakizi.
Tuvuge igifaransa.
Tuvuge igifaransa. Tuvuge igifaransa.
I am a very big translator, Mr. Abakosha. Tosola Kunibanga Chef is here. We can use let's use English or we can use Kinyarwanda. Tukoreshe Kinyarwanda.
Nta kibazo.
Oba Kiswahili. Uzi Kiswahili?
Nacho ndakizi.
Najua Kiswahili.
Nacho nakivuga bibaye ngombwa.
Okay, koresha Kiswahili oba iki.
Ndi kuvuga nongeyeho ngo bibaye ngombwa. Ntago twabikomfuringe ko tugiye gukoresha Igiswahili.
Bibaye ngombwa.
Ngombwa.
Kubitegeko.
Warahita haza ibimenyetso.
Bibaye ngombwa.
Icyaba ciza. Reka twikoreshereze Ikinyarwanda. Rwose pe.
Okay, it's okay. Koresha Kinyarwanda. Then I can see tufite iminota 13 tukakira amakuru muri y'urufumbira sibyo. We are very happy ndanezerewe kubabona. We are very happy kandi yuko na abanyagisoro baranezerewe. Shafu ari kuvuga tuzakivuga. Ango shafu ndi kureba ari kuvuga rwati Methodius narakubwiye ngo wigurufumbira byanga ariko zaruvuga. Sibyo shafu? Na reka baze kuba kandi impereza omuzindala. Dr. Nsabii, mu minota nkeya abanzi atubwire who is Dr. Nsabii, ninde Dr. Nsabii today turi kuza kureba kandi kuri Bamboo Gardens.
Ni ibidasanzwe kandi ni n'ibyo kwishimira cyane ko ni ku nshuro ya mbere tubaye muri iki gisagara cyanyu. Ni ukuvuga ngo rero haciyemo imyaka myinshi nagiye nakira ama invitation y'abantu benshi bambwira ngo ninze ariko ntibikunde ko naboneka. Ariko for this time I'm here. Abantu biteguye kubona Nsabii bakunze, Nsabii bareba muri filime, ibyo barebaga muri filime, we are going to bring it live. Yes, nabwira abantu rero kuza ari benshi cyane kugira ngo duhurire hariya Bamboo Garden. Noneho uwo Nsabii bakunze bamwirebera amaso ku maso. Yego, kuko nta kintu na kimwe dusize inyuma mu byo dufite. Twaje kandi twaje twese.
Mwaje mwese?
Ya.
Mwese?
Yingo, uri kubona hari kubura monde
kandi muragenda mwese.
Yego. Hari ushaka gusigarana?
Menya yashimye
nyirabutare.
Kandi muragenda mwese?
Washimye umukecuru.
Nta kibazo twamugusigiye.
Umukecuru w'umusitari nta kibazo twajana.
Turashaka nuwuhe just kutangariza abumviriza ba Metropolitan Radio bakamenye ninde just kubera nanje n'ubwa mbere kureba face to face paraga ndi kureba kuri filime kareba Dr. Nsabii narizi ngufite imyaka nk'ijana.
Oh yes kandi cyari mutoya cyane.
Cyari mutoya. Then turashaka utubwire, is your first time kuzanga muri Uganda?
Yeah.
It's your first time?
It's my first time.
It is your first time. Because I've seen you on many platforms.
Yeah.
Ori kuperform sinzi uba umva neza icyongereza.
Yes,
Ukoreshe ikifaransa aba Kiswahili?
No, I don't know French, but I can speak English.
I can speak English.
Yeah, I can.
So nanisha akoresha ikifaransa. Wowe ndi kureba uri kuvuga mu Methodius azi ikifaransa. Baragenda ndakubona. Sibyo? I just wanted to I wanted you to tell us for you as far as comedy is concerned, how have you found comedy? Because I think comedy industry, it is something that is still developing here in East Africa.
Yeah.
And you have come to be one of the top comedians we have here in East Africa. Abantu baragukundaga pe. You get barabakundaga pe. I want to know, is this one do you work as a group? Do you have a drama group and whatever? I want you to first let us know which is like how you find like maybe in music industry have bands and whatever. Mweho mukoraga in which way?
Yeah. It seems like we are different names because for our development, some have developed their talents in different ways and have built up their names in different ways. But when we meet up, it's like a collaboration of that many names there. Yeah.
So it's like a collaboration of many names. Because whenever I see you, I always see this Nsabii Visual. Is it called?
Yes, Visual.
Yeah. Just kundaga umuntu just nkamureba.
Yeah.
When I look at the face, you know what it means by comedy?
Yes.
Comedy, it's not all about the person first talk. When you look at the face of Nsabii Visual, you just laugh.
Yes.
You just look at the face only.
Yeah.
When he looks at you, just laugh. So he himself is made of like how you can see ukareba inzu bashiragamo barikombeka inzu ya permanent bashiragamo cement. So uri kureba Nsabii Visual just ukareba face there is also ekirungo cha laughing, guseka, ugaseka ukakwenkonoka, sibyo? Then what do we expect today at Bamboo Gardens today?
Today
What do you
is
expect
today is a special day.
It's a special day.
Yeah, because we have traveled many kilometers from Rwanda to here, and we have been preparing this day from a few months later. Before, thank you. This day is going to be an amazing day.
I did remember.
Yeah, a day to remember because it's coming once in the year. And we are all here. No one in us who have any problem. And we are very ready to make everyone here who is going to come laugh. Yeah, that is what you have to expect from us. Don't say he will or she will. He's going to.
He's going to.
Yeah.
It is a must. Hari message iyo mbonye uyu ari kubariza bana ba boda bana ba hotel bande sinzi kare ariko ni message sibyo ariko baza mbu ufite umugore
Oya.
Oya.
Ka kubaza byatariko sibyo mbese uzava hano udafite umugore
Nzava ntamufite.
kweli
Ina akuzu.
wava mu Rwanda ukatraveringa kilometers zose sibyo uvuye mu Rwanda wava mu Kigali ukaza ukanyura Musanze.
Oya nase ucishije amaso mu bantu twazanye nta mugore uri kubonamo.
Ngaho muri Gisoro ukongera ukasubirayo kwera ari wenyine ukongera ugarara wenyine
ahubwo ndamushakira ino
ariko urashaka uwiwuri
ndashaka kubona zanye
ahubwo urabyemereza ino
ahubwo inaha niho ndemereza koko ari kuko
ndi kureba injika ziri kwiruka cyane just nari nshaka mubwireho abumviriza bacu just some last remarks mwese every person within 2 minutes ubwireho abantu bacu icyo bazareba kuri Bamboo Gardens then everything give you your last remarks then Jimba Sibole.
Okay. Maybe some who are listening to us have spent their whole year without laughing because these days something comes too hard and life is too hard for everyone to find a place to laugh for. But this day is the last day and the last chance they have, so they have to come early and quick because this is their time to laugh. This is their time to be happy with us. Yeah.
Here said, it is always very hard for someone to be very happy, and it is not even a comparison to be happy. But the moment you get somebody who can make you happy, that is something very sweet and so lovely. What I can say it is you have to expect everything, nothing but laughing there at Bamboo Gardens. That is the guy, Dr. Nsabii. Nsabii sezera abumviriza ba Metropolitan Radio. Bari kumva,
all things Dr. Nsabii has finished to tell you is really come to dance. Yazizia and the comedian, very quality. Come quickly, me Bambo. Show you.
There is another man I'm seeing there.
Yeah.
Where?
By Kokoji.
Yes.
Yes. He's my son. My
Nice. Vugana ho nabumviriza bari kumva.
Nabimusanze bose.
Nabimusanze bari kumva bose. Zezera umugore.
Zezera umugore. Umugore mfite.
Ndacari gato.
Ndacari mutoya cyane.
Ufite umugore?
Ndacaba kwa papa.
None Tino nasembayo mukecuru usezera abantu then
ubwo rero njewe nyirabutarure do n'umukecuru w'umusitari ubu ngubu nageze hano mu Buganda abantu bo reka mbanze mvuga ibibazo byanjye nako ngiye gusobanura ibijanye
ibibazo
umenye ko nageze muri Bamboo Garden baze tuhahurire tuhashushe
Marco, say all the best. Thank you so much. I love you so much. And you have been listening to the Urban Show, Hospital of the City. That's the great team I had today. Let me just wish you all the best and see. Let's all meet at Bamboo Gardens. One love. Big up on yourself. Up next is Amakuru Yurufumbira. Jovret Nyurabwiza is already here in the building. Let me say, Jabret.